summer. I heard this new drink and I want to give it a try doing it on my own. Let's go. We need Milo, 3 tablespoons. Brown sugar, 3 tablespoons. Lastly, hot water. Bigik, we don't have electric mixer, so we will be using a whisk. Continue whisking until you see the mixture becomes fluffy. Unfortunately, the mixture is only a little sticky but not creamy. I decided to use a blender. See if it will make a perfect fluffy whip mixture. What do you think, Bigik? Seems okay. We'll use a different, smaller blender. Judgment time. Let's see. We have ice, fresh milk, and the mixture, Milo mixture. Oops. The mixture went to the bottom. Oh, I think it's failed. As for me, Bigik, you really need an electric mixer so you can do a perfect, smooth Dalgona. Thank you for watching.